I have no idea if this is gonna work for the chat thing I have here. I hope it works. We'll see. Just give me a few more moments, guys. I'm not 100% ready, but I will be in just a moment. Just gotta switch shirts, and I'm dying in here right now. It's 200 degrees. Switch back into my shorts real quick. Okay, so chat is working. Cool. Alright. Goody. I'll read that in just a moment. I'm just getting ready. Just hopped on. Did a Instacart run, so at least I have the energy. So I should be fine there. Just gotta change my shirt. God. Whew. Jeez Louise. Almost done. Alrighty. Alright, I'm here. Hi Tinky Winky, hey Creeper Gaming. Welcome to the stream, everyone. I should be... hang on. Okay, so it shows whole desktop. Cool. Okay. Let me know if the stream quality dips or anything like that. So I'm still trying to figure out Twitch and everything versus YouTube. So I'm not 100% confident that it's going to be stable. But let's hope it is. Okay, so hey guys, Plenty here, and today we're going to be map making. Once again on Five Nights at Freddy's Minecraft V2.0. I just gotta disable batch running right now for Instacart. So I've been doing some Instacarts this morning and to get my day started, I guess. Holy shit. I need another fan. Like, I don't know. Actually, no, I don't need another fan. I just need to take it out of the fucking window. Hang on. Sorry if the screen looks shaky. It's because of forced teleport. Yeah, I don't need a new fan. Or, not new, like another fan. I just gotta big brain it and just bring it closer to me and outside the window and just facing towards me. Okay, hey Lucas, welcome to the stream, everyone. Hope everyone's having a fantastic day. Just get my mic into place here, like right here. FNAF X Monsters and Mortals. I don't know what that game is, but all right, interesting. Okay, so what we're doing right now is I am prepping the main menu right now. So let's get a reload. Hang on. So, have all the numbers to where they need to be. I should also put a 0. Oh, wait. That's my issue? Oh. Let me try that again. No, that is definitely not what I should have done. Okay. Yeah, there needs to be a squiggle bracket. Oops. There we go. I think that's the right coordinate area. Alright, have fun. I'll wish you luck. Thank you. Yeah, I'm still map making and everything. I know I have been kind of gone and not working, like, you know. Yeah. It should be appearing any second. Sometimes it's just a teleportation. Okay, so it is at the right coordinate. I'm just gonna resummon them. Hang on. Because sometimes they just need to resummon and then they'll be fine. Okay, what was I saying? I've been gone for a bit. Like, I haven't been map making and everything, and mainly making other videos, mainly because of my ear infection. I wasn't able to hear, and it was just so distracting with the pain that I couldn't map make or do anything with concentration. So, unfortunately, I had to pause for a bit. And I'm back again, but what also stopped me after the ear infection was, of course, vertigo. Now, it is a health issue and stuff like that I have, but today it feels solid. I should be fine. And I'm feeling very confident to map make today, now that I don't have any distractions physically. Like me physically, not like the world physically. Like messing with me, you know what I mean? Because it's all been like my body and my head fucking me up lately, so we're back. Yeah, I'm working on the new pause menu. I have a reference sheet right here. And what I mean by reference sheet, I mean like literally a screenshot from the original first map. Yeah. Jesus. Yeah, I have a screenshot of the first map so I can at least align everything as normal. I still need to do some... Oh god, here comes another sneeze, I think. Waiting for it. It's re-rolling. It's kind of coming and going. Okay, I think I'm good. So what I need to do... Oof, I could still feel it. Jesus Christ. Alright, I'm going to scooch this over to the side. Also, I'm going to pop out chat. And I'm going to put it on the top left. That actually sounds like a better spot. Rather than having it on my OBS and everything. And then I don't have to open up chat every time. Like on a web page or anything, so I can get that ready to go. And now I can have my second monitor full screened and ready to go so I can read everything. Which is nice, because that makes everything useful for me. But unfortunately, you guys can't see the other monitor. I mean, I could try to add that as a feature. No, not a feature, but I could add that like right now if I wanted to. But I'd rather not, because I feel like it's going to lag, and as well as it's going to be in the way for everyone. Plus, no one's going to be able to read it with it being that small if I were to be able to, but it's fine. At least I'm trying my best. Okay, so what I need to do is I have a script here, as you guys can see, where it's, now instead of every armor stand being ready to go and already summoned, they're actually going to be despawned if they have the tag sprite. As you can see right here, it says kill all entities tag equals sprite. And then once the main menu reloads, which is in the same exact script as the kill sprite, it will summon every sprite along with every tag needed, coordinate, yada yada. So it would also save up on resources. Like, it'd save a little bit more without lagging, I guess. Like, anything that helps with performance, I guess, is a big thing. It also depends on what player is playing and what computer they have, and, you know. Like, not everyone's gonna have the same computer, or the best computer either. Nor do I. I mean, like, mine's not the greatest, or the most perfect game, or computer, or anything like that, but at least it's good enough to run Minecraft, and it's good enough to run Call of Duty at least at 90 FPS, maybe 100, with some good quality settings. No, I shouldn't say good quality, I should say, performance. Alright, no, for real. Like, not everyone's gonna have the best PC in the world, so I'm trying my best to at least make it more PC-friendly than it was from the past. Yeah, it wasn't as great in the past as it was now, you know, like, wow. It wasn't, trust me. Okay, so now I gotta realign everything real quick. The things that need realigning would be the option menus, along with the copyrights real quick. Tag equals option 1. Self run CPS self. Let's say negative 0.001, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right there. So about 5 more. Okay. So where are the options? Option 1. Oh, it starts from here. 7.71 is where it normally, I guess, starts. Here, let me just reload and see. Yeah, it looks about right. So now I just gotta add basically a 5. So 715 for each one, and then just reload. Resummon them. Looks about good. Settings could be a little lower. Like, option 3 should be a teensy bit lower, I would say. So that looks a little too high up compared to the original. Yeah, it's just literally a 0.01 down. Okay, where is option 3? Right here. So 0.37 basically. Okay. I'd say that looks good. Continue should go over one more left, if anything. But I think I can just edit that through the sprite itself. I think it's fine. Maybe continue should go down a little more. Like 2.3 or 0.23, sorry. It is going to be off-centered now, but it's okay. Okay, I didn't get to read stuff. I'm sorry. You heard of Lego Dimensions? No, I haven't. Hang on. Oh, I can't select options from there. Okay, so I'll have to go to my actual thing. Hang on. Pez, no need to peg down on like other people's experiences and gamer tags and not gamer tags. I'm so sorry. Yeah, there we go. Okay. No need to peg down on other people's experiences and games that they play. Okay. Just be a little more nicer next time about it, or else I'll time you out again. In this chat, there is absolutely no, like, that, I mean, I guess I'd say that's more, TOS, or for anything, but just don't, like, bash on other people's, games and experiences and what they like and what they don't like. That's not what we're here for. We're here for positivity and having fun. I'm gonna be right back for a minute. I'm gonna go grab a water. It should be, like, not even a minute. Like, not even, like, 30 seconds. It's right in the other room. Okay, I'm back. I'm almost back. I'm just kidding for now. Okay. But no, I haven't heard of Lego Dimensions, though. I don't really play Lego games, though. Like, of course I played with Legos as a kid, but I haven't yet to ever play a Lego game, but I don't think I'm really interested, though. No thanks, though. But, why do you ask, though? Okay. I got my water. It's always important to stay hydrated, especially during the summer. Let's see here. Okay, I'd say this looks pretty good so far. Also, I do need to teleport the copyright down a little more and to the right. Like right there is about good. So just basically down 0.02 or 0.02, sorry. Copyright is right here, so basically it needs to be 665. Alright. And then it needs to go over 2, I'd say. Probably 5. Okay, so copyright is right here, so 0.97. Okay, slash reload. Okay. Maybe it needs to go a little more over, like 975 might work. Okay. That's actually not half as bad, I don't think. Maybe it's a little too far, but I can't really tell. Like, it's kind of hard to tell. Yeah, I'd say 972 maybe. Might be good. Yeah, something like that. Okay. I got a message or something. Daily summary is ready. I'm not even done doing Instacart. I just wanted to, like, take a break from it so I could map make for a bit. Okay. I gotta add the other options on here as well. Also, if any of you guys have played the original Five Nights at Freddy's 2 Minecraft edition that I've made, which was like the first and only as of right now, FNAF2, aside from the multiplayer edition, which was fucking broken. We are going to be adding an entirely new menu on the settings section, and it's going to be for mini games. So if you found a mini game and you wanted to replay it, you can in the settings. There was also an option on the original game as well for FNAF 2 MC where you can go to the minigame section and see if you've already found it or not. Because if you already found it, you can always replay it then and there. Especially for the secondary Easter eggs, which I'm going to try to do, but I don't know how well it's going to go. I mean, of course, like, I remember all 4 of the Easter eggs originally from FNAF 2 that I added exclusively, but some of them were from the original game. For example, the first minigame I'm thinking of is when you're Freddy and you're walking around the pizzeria. I don't know what triggers the Easter egg exactly. I think it's based on time. It was definitely time-based on the FNAF 2 MC, but, I don't know if it was time-based in the actual game, in the actual coding. So... Hang on, I'm gonna pause for a second so I can... I was gonna try to, like, work and talk, but I can't do that when I'm explaining a story. So that one was time-based. It was the It's Me with the purple guy. That was the first Easter egg I did. The second one would be for the pizza. Mangle spawns outside the window. And you get to, if you look at her, you'll be able to get the Easter egg there, too. But it only works whenever, when the purple guy comes out and makes the other guy turn into a sad guy or something, you know what I mean? Before the jump scare and everything. The third one is the gifts. The give gifts, give life thing. If you look straight up, you'll see Golden Freddy sitting on top. Originally it was supposed to be the moon that you see, which, of course, that's why the achievement was called That's No Moon. But, I also added Golden Freddy to spawn up there because he's the jump scare for that minigame. So you could see 2 moons, technically. Haha, funny. I know. The fourth one is the Jack and Bob clock. There's a story behind that. I don't know how the story went, but I remember it a long time ago. I think I made Fantasy Phrase 1 at the time, but it was definitely before FNAF 2 because I wouldn't have implemented it. Either that or it was after Slendy Tubbies and before FNAF 1. I don't remember. One of my friends, I think it was Rad Devan or something. No, I don't know. Maybe? I don't know. I was working on a project for someone else and helping them out, but they needed like a armor stand. There was 2 of them named Jack and Bob, and we needed a hopper clock or something so that they would look like they're typing on the keyboard. That was the whole gimmick. Jack and Bob clock. The way to find it is behind the curtains in the 4th minigame with the Foxy and the Pirate Cove thing. Additionally, there was going to be another Easter egg added to it if you found all 4, which was going to be It's Raining Taco song, but that was scrapped because of copyright issues. So for those people who actually went into the game and found the 4th Easter egg and got disappointed over it, I do greatly apologize. It was unfortunately removed due to copyright claims. So once again, I apologize for anyone who went to go do that and poured their time and effort into that. I apologize. Okay. I kind of forgot what I was doing here, but we're just going to reload the main menu just one more time. Oh yeah, what I was going to do next was we're going to add the next few settings, which is going to be 6 night and then custom night. So I believe that's what it looked like on there. So we're going to add that right now. I just got to summon an armor stand, but I got to grab the tag or the command. Okay, so option 4 sprite. Slash item, replace entity, tag equals opt 4 armor.head with cook pork chop, custom model data. I don't remember what one it was, so we're gonna go look real quick. Ever thought about creating your own FNAF game? Oh yeah, definitely. Oh, I've already done Finance at Candies, if you didn't know. That was in 1.9. I did that. But I also did have an idea, and I have a trailer. I don't know if it's up anymore, but it was supposed to be Five Nights at Heel Ponies. But that was scrapped as well because of other projects and stuff. So, yeah. We had some really interesting night mechanics, but I think we're just going to still stick with the FNAF series for now and just keep working with that. Okay, so night 6. It's model 41. Whoa, why is this so big? Foxy, please, English. That'd be great. No other languages other than just English, please. I just only need English, because I can't read that. Nor do I want to research what that said. English only in this chat, please, guys. Option 4. Okay, so now I gotta do teleportation. Execute as ONT's tag equals opt4 and self run TP at self -0.01. Wait, is it really that big? It is. What? Why is it so large? Okay, you know what I might have to do? 1 second, I got it. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna go find 6 night. Where is it? Night 6 and custom night as well, and drag them all into here real quick. And we're gonna grab one of the things like continue model. Actually, no. I just go in here and file import. And then I just gotta go to like continue.json. No, I just want to see like what the size is for the font, and it shouldn't be that way. Also, I might as well add, open up continue and go to display head and see what the size is, which is a 1.0. Oh, that's why. That makes sense. Okay. I found the issue that happened. There's supposed to be 1.0 scaling, not 1.35. I don't know why I did that. Yes, save, please. Oh my lord. So custom night selected, night 6 selected. Head. Control S, please. Okay. So I hate when I miss the Control S and then it actually like tries to save as a block model or some dumb shit. Because then I'd have to go back. Because there's no like exit. Like you can't say no or yes. Like I want to continue. I don't think, unless I completely clicked the wrong option. Okay, Foxy, I'm gonna have to time you out, man. English, please. Only. I already told you this. Foxy, please only English. No other languages in chat, please. Oh wait, why am I having the custom night text on there? What am I doing? I must have grabbed the wrong model. Interesting. Actually, no, it's not custom night. It says 6 night. My bad. I'm just reading it wrong. Okay. I'm gonna have to bunch them a little closer together. This is just way too far apart. Okay, so what we're gonna do is gonna teleport option 2 about like 0.1, see if that's good enough. Whoa, that's way too much. So just bring it up like 2 notches. So options. Option 3 needs to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3, 3. And then option 4 needs to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Probably one more. 5. It's about 5, okay. 3, 2. Wait, that doesn't make any... Oh, it's because I don't have the, function. Get post. 4.4, that's what it was supposed to be. Okay, slash reload. Slash function, map to main menu slash home screen setup. Hey Free Flow, what's up, man? You're a big fan? That's good to hear. Welcome to the stream. Oh, whoa. Also, what the hell? Why is it so off? Hang on. It's the model. I had a feeling. But it's fine. I can just move it around. Might as well move it through here. Yeah, I think what I messed up. Oh, I see what I did. Okay, I get it. That's weird. Okay, so I'm gonna go do that real quick. I gotta figure out what coordinate they need to be on. So if I go to, like, settings. Okay, so its position is 2.722. Okay. Well, actually, no, that's not right. Like, Control N. Yeah, 2.722. Sounds about right. Okay. No, not 1. 2.722. No, it's not right at all. What the hell? Actually, I might as well just make a new block. 2.722. Okay, so I just need to make a block of that. Okay, got it. I'm kind of lost to what I'm doing here. Hang on. Yeah, that sounds about right. Okay. So now I got the coordinate. 1.3709 for this one. Okay, so it's 96. I got it. And then now I gotta get 96 selected. And then now I just gotta do that, save. And then now I gotta do the same thing for custom night. Oops, I forgot to grab the other thing. There we go. Just make sure I didn't forget it. Okay. Doesn't have to be perfect, but it's close enough. Alright. So now it's 5.329. Okay, I gotta write this down. 5.329. Negative 2.02. Or sorry, 2.0644. Okay. Got it. Alright. I mean, hell, I could always just add the other thing in it, but it's fine. Custom night selected. There you go. So 5.329, okay. Hey Sans, welcome to the stream. I was listening to FNAF2 ambience when this stream popped up, and that's how I'm here. Oh wow, that's interesting. Yeah, I know, I love the ambience in the game. It's really nice. And I'm just gonna refresh texture pack and see how it looks. Feed cats, do litter, okay. Well, I already fed the cats, I gotta do the litter later. I'm in the middle of the stream now. Let's see here. So if we do /item to replace entity on these tag equals TV armored ahead with air, just for now. This is what it looks like without any background. So continue does need to scooch over a hint. So what I'm going to do to edit that is I'm going to go find continue. And then I got to go select all these and then just scooch them over. Start with the first one. Probably like... No, actually, let me just go back to original continue just real quick just to confirm this is the amount of scooch I need or not. Like, I don't know if this is enough or too much. Yeah, it's kind of too much. Okay. Okay, let me try this one. Just 2 notches over with Control and Shift. I'd say so. That looks good. Okay. So just basically everything just scooched over literally too. Which is kind of hard to do because it's really pinpoint. You don't want to like slip or anything like I did just there a moment ago. I already got that one done. Oh god, I'm zoomed out here. I mean, I can even confirm if everything is fine by reloading and just... I don't think I can... Oh, I don't think the options thing works yet, but it's fine. I could just do an item replace for now. Actually, no, I might as well get the score thing going. Right click test for. Wait, why did my inventory get cleared like that? Shouldn't be cleared. Oh, maybe there's something I didn't do right. Yeah, for some reason my items are cleared. Now, I don't know what I exactly did on the original for the empty. I think it was just a carrot on a stick with nothing. But I could be wrong. But it's worth to double check what I did for my code. But at the same time, I'm just going to say it's fine and just do basically an error. But I don't think I have carrot on a stick open, do I? No. I gotta go find it. Models item. Okay. Item empty is 0. Okay, cool. That's what I was assuming. But it's a good idea to double check. Okay, so... So item 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, I gotta add some arguments here. So the argument being execute if score... Oops, I put 3 E's, or an extra E by accident. Execute if score night, or completed nights, I think is what it's called. Debug matches 6 or higher, right? Run. No, it should be 5 or higher. Because if you completed the 5th night, then you should have access to the 6th. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Okay. And then, of course, the other one's going to be the same exact argument here. Only difference being if it's going to be 6 or higher. And then it would show those, and the rest would be basically air. So I'm going to copy this. And then I gotta change 1.4. So basically, or just 4 or less, basically. same, and then 4 to 5. Yep, there we go. So I'm gonna put this one right here. So it's gonna check first if the player did complete night 5 and higher to give them the correct carrot on a stick, which I gotta add the correct model number now. Which is basically option 4 and 5. Okay, so those numbers are 14 and 15. So if it's successful, then it's going to give them item 14 and item 15, which allows for the menu. But if not, then it's going to be basically nothing. So it's a carrot on a stick that doesn't work. Actually, no, it should be just a normal right-clickable, non-right-clickable item. Let's see here. I would not have known how to code this in Minecraft. Well, it took me so many years to get this going, along with the help with Vanjamali and other friends as well. Oh, I already did exactly what I just did. How funny. Wow. Okay. Didn't think of that, but you know what? It's alright. I did exactly what I did earlier. So I just did nothing. Okay, it's totally fine. It's not all that bad. Wow, I wish I would have saw that. Actually, I might as well get rid of the check here. It's totally fine. Actually, no, I should keep the check. It's fine. Okay. Cool. So now I don't... Yep, okay, cool. That's done. Okay. So now what's next? I gotta think. I can't think right now. So what I'm gonna do whenever I kind of blank out like that is just I'm gonna reload and just do the function again and double check my work. Okay, so those look pretty much fine. Now I don't know why I didn't get my items. I think something is clearing it. Schedule clear. Oh, okay, that makes sense now. Actually, it doesn't. Why does it clear my shit? So it's, yeah, it's clearing carrot on a stick. Oh, maybe it's something to deal with the right-click test for? Something maybe... Oh, I kind of see. No, that doesn't make any sense. Never mind. Let me take a look at this. Okay, so this should be perfectly working fine as long as I hashtag this one out and just reload. Just the only thing I won't be able to do is actually access anything specifically. Okay. So 6 night is now here, and I gotta also add below it custom night. Now it's visible right now because I didn't add the argument that checks if I have completed for night 5 or higher yet. Reason being is right now I'm trying to set up the main menus and get the HUD going before worrying about like before changing the thing to search for a score. You know, I want to make sure it's properly centered, blah blah blah, get that all prepped and ready to go, then add the arguments. Okay, so now we're gonna add option 5 real quick. Gotta get there, of course. Okay. Items, replace, entity, entities, tag equals 5, armored head with cooked pork chop, custom model, data. I don't know what number, let's go check. So for cooked pork chop, it is custom night, it will be 43. Okay. Item replace. Oh, those are the stars. That's not what I want. I need to find the summons first. Okay. So option 5. I gotta add the coordinates. And then option 5 gets replaced with what number? 43. And that's option 5. Okay. Slash execute as all entities tag equals opt opt 5 at self run TP at self. Here it is 0.1. That seems about good. Like first thing, I guess. I'm actually gonna try to go 0.01 real quick just to see if it needs to go a little. No, I'd say that was actually pretty good. I like that spacing, like the 0.1 spacing. Okay, that's good. And then it's basically the same thing. It's just the only thing that now it's 0.54. And then slash reload, and then we're gonna do function FNAF2 main menu slash can't think home screen to set up. Okay, so now that's working properly. That's good. Hey Manny, welcome to the stream, man. I feel like there should be more people watching the stream. This is cool. I know. Thank you. Well, I'm happy with whatever numbers are there, and like view count and stuff. I'm not that worried. That's why I can't see the view count or anything, because I don't want to worry about the numbers. Fatigue taught me that. Like, if I stop worrying about the numbers, then I wouldn't have too much stress, and I could continue working and everything, without having to worry about like who's watching and who's not, this or that or whatever. You know what I mean? How many frames did I lose? How many frames am I getting? You know what I mean? Things like that. Just I try not to worry about the numbers anymore and just work and bring content to you guys. I'm trying my best to get back into action again. But all support is like any support in general, or all support I should really say. Dots. Any support is lovely. Just you guys watching or just being here or anything means a lot to me now. And just the support in general for like I don't know how to explain it, like just you guys watching and being here and making childhood memories and stuff like that, blah blah blah. Like things that English. I've lost my brain. Just, you know what I mean, like thank you guys so much for all the support in general. Anything is helpful here. And I'm glad to be able to make everyone's day a little better, you know? I don't know how to explain it. It's hard to word. I'm glad to be here. I'm glad I'm making content for you guys. Okay, so back into the action here. Something that I noticed that's kind of off, but I think is in the original screenshot as well, which I actually have on my desktop somewhere right here. Actually, no, it needs to be changed. I guess I forgot to change the texture. Okay, so I gotta go do that. I was wondering why the font wasn't correct here. And that's why. Okay, so what I'm going to do is we're going to correct the font. Okay. So how do we do this exactly? Well, I'll show you. Let's see here. It's not the right font. I don't remember what font we used. It was like OSA something. Let me check. OCRA, that's what it was. And the font size was 36. Okay. So it's basically new game continues 6.9 custom alpha demo beta extended. Okay. So new game. I forgot what the Continue 6 night custom. Okay, so it was 6 night and then custom. And then alpha, beta, or something like that. I don't remember. Let me check. Alpha, demo, beta, extended. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to align everything real quick. I just got Control-Shift-E. And I'm going to try to align every text to where it should be. So 6 night could be a little lower. So I'm going to grab 6 night. Make sure I grab it properly too. Just scooch it down 1. Check. Actually, no, it needs to be up 1. Or maybe 2, up 1. Should be fine. Yeah, it needs to be up 1. Like right there. Okay. Custom needs to be lowered. To right there. Alpha demo needs to be lowered as well. So about right there. Beta extended needs to be lowered. Just make sure I grab the right thing. And then the word demo needs to be scooched over. As close as possible, of course. So like right there. Actually no, demo is actually gonna go down here. Because I gotta grab everything except for this and go Control-Shift-I. I just need to see what I did here. Nope, actually just Control-C. Right here. Okay, and then deselect, delete this layer, Control-Shift-E, save. And then now I gotta go to my model editing software again, and we gotta do all this work again for every single thing. That includes, I gotta figure out the picture again. So anything with new game, continue, 6 night, custom, alpha, beta, extended, demo. We don't have to worry about the night part because that's still the same position, so it should be fine. So every single model, that includes those words, I guess. So let's see here. I'm gonna make a full screen image on the right so I can see what I'm looking for. So new game. Okay, the stars I don't have to worry about. I don't have to worry about back because that's different. Camera toggle I don't have to worry about. Continue I do have to worry about. Controls I don't have to worry about. Copyright I don't have to worry about. Custom night I do. New game I have to worry about. Night 6 I have to worry about. Settings I have to worry about. Version I don't have to worry about. So it's just basically a few items. So it's not all bad. Isn't it a little close to click? Yes, but some of them are actually going to be not properly centered, as you guys can see there. Like, it's not going to be perfect. So what I'm going to do to fix this is we're just basically going to make a duplicate of this. And I'm just going to do this. But I gotta make the original one invisible, and then I just zoom in as far as I can. And we do a little, no, not that, a little bit of that action. And then, actually, I do need to do a little bit of that action as well. And move it up one, or down one, like this. Yep. And then to get the proper sizing, all we have to do is this. You see these two numbers right here? You got scale horizontal and scale vertical. That is basically the size of the scale for the UV. So what we usually do to get it as a 1.1 or 1:1 resolution again is I do 11. I just basically copy, and then I copy again for each number. So now it's a 1:1 aspect ratio, and now all I have to do is this. I hit X, click on this. Actually, no. We do V. We just move this down out of the way. We hit X, click, and now we zoom out, make sure it's the correct one that we need to delete, and that is done. New game is ready. And I'm also going to make things a little bit easier by doing this as well. File import. We close new game, and we go to new game selected, which is right here. To update this as well, all I have to do is zoom in. Go to... I'm actually going to do this real quick so I can actually add it as a... where is it? Preferences, key bindings. File. Right here. Add Java block or item model. I'm going to do Control-Shift-O. And then close that. So now when I hit Control-Shift-O, it's basically going to go File, Import, add this right here. So it's going to say Control-Shift-O. So now I can just do it within a fly by doing that. So now I go to New Game. Just the original New Game. Refresh the texture. Find the old New Game. Delete that. Save. Done. New Game selected is done. And then 6 night, I gotta work on as well. We're gonna do that next. So I'm gonna realign so that it's all perfect. Also, hang on. Before any editing goes through, always make a duplicate of this and hide the original. So at least you know where the coordinates needs to be after the edit, of course. I like to usually zoom out enough so I can see what's going on here, but I'm fine there. Okay, so I need to... Anyway. Okay. Yeah, I'm so zoomed in that my sensitivity is like super fucking low. Also, to correct any, also I gotta go do that with the other one. You gotta correct the, or originate the coordinates. What I do to fix that is I just bring this and bring it to the top left like this, and now all this should be 0 and 0. So now it shouldn't be off-centered if anything were to go wrong there, which it did for me. So now I don't have to worry about that, which is nice. But it also fixes any issues that anyone would have while rescaling, especially straight up from a different texture or something, or resolution of the texture. So now what I do here is I'm going to copy the same thing here, 12.9419. Oops, I mistyped, but it's okay. 19, not 17. 2.171. And then now I show the original. bring the new edited one down here, hit X, click, click, delete the original, save. Now I have the new one. And now we're going to do the same exact thing here. Control-Shift-O. And then we got to go to night selected, or just night 6. We find the original, delete the original. Also, what's going on here? Wait a minute. Oh, I know why. That's why.
Already.
Save. What, Mom? I'm streaming.
Please do the litter.
Okay, I already fed the cats, by the way.
Okay, but like the minute you walk out here, the smell is so bad.
Okay, I know. Also, I gotta do the settings as well. I completely missed that texture. So we're gonna skip settings just for now, and I'll go get that done in a minute. I mean, I fed them the wet food. Like usual. I don't know what else. Okay. Sorry for interruptions like that, guys. It happens. Let's see here. Quick question. How are you going to add the toy animatronics on the menu? Oh, that's easy. I'll have to show you guys that when I get to that step. So all I have to do, in theory, 1 second. Okay. So in theory, all I have to really do to get that to work is I set up a green screen of the animatronics, add shaders if necessary, and have them positioned just like the original game. I'll show you guys like Freddy one right here, for example. Like this is all black and white, so there's no like transparent effect or anything. It's all just this. It's a solid image, like a JPEG almost, but it's all PNG, of course. So I'll have like a picture of this or anything like straight ahead of me. I'll do the alignment and cropping, and then I'll have each screenshot be like you know, each thing. And then it'll be RNG to decide, which I already have the engine done for that, to decide what frame it needs to be. That's basically the same thing as FNAF 1 to FNAF 2 as well, but with different characters and just maybe a little more RNG, I'm not sure. But, yeah, I have that all set to go and ready to go. So it should be all good. Oh yeah, I don't have to do this part. I just gotta shift it. Okay, I just gotta do this. And delete the original. Continue. Now, does night need to be updated? No, it doesn't have to be, I don't think. What's the font for night? I didn't get to look at that. Is night even a different font, or is it the same? I could only imagine. Oh, I don't have a comparison, but I do have the original files to compare to. So textures, others probably? No. Signs. I gotta find the night, which is gonna be tiny. Well, unfortunately, it's all stretched out and broken. But yeah, it looks like it's the same font, I'd assume. Yeah, it's definitely the same font. Okay, we're good. I'll say it's the same. Hall Topper? What are you talking about? I don't know what that is, but okay. Okay, so now we did that one, and then now I gotta do the same thing here. Now, I know it looks like it's incorrect for the scaling and everything, but I don't have to refresh it because it's just only the platform that's out that needs to be updated for what texture I'm using, because I haven't really updated it through there, but it's going to be the correct texture when the game actually loads, so it's fine. It's just the block bench needs to be refreshed a little bit, so it's totally fine. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is this one. Okay. Oh yeah, I gotta recenter all of this every time. Because now, like, see, now it's actually lined up properly. When it comes to, like, trying to line it up with pixel perfect stuff. So you always have to move it up to the top left to 0, 0 in order to get the proper sizing or, like, proper scale for horizontal and vertical. For some reason, or mainly it's just the movement vertical, horizontal, so that's the problem. Is it doesn't exactly sync perfectly or something. I don't understand how that exactly happens, but it's fine. That looks about right. Maybe a little more spacing. I'm playing FNAF2 right now, and the font actually looks really accurate. Thanks. Sorry I'm late. Oh, no worries. Don't worry about that. No worrying about being late. It's all good, man. You're here, so it's all good. Okay, so yeah, the spacing does need to be a little, so I can delete the word custom, and I gotta get the original night here. Okay, so it is basically literally a one separate, okay. Save. So custom night, so the word night needs to actually go over more. Okay, got it. Boom. And now I gotta do, like, this font as well, because it's the wrong font again, because I didn't think of that. Trying to update textures can be a pain sometimes, especially if it has a different font. I mean, it's not all bad. I don't know why I didn't do that. I thought I did. Interesting. I swear I did this, but you know, I think it's because I used the wrong font or something. I don't know. How odd. Wait a minute, did I do it in the wrong one? No, I actually redid it. Okay, that's why. It's fine. Yeah, I redid it, but the problem was with that is I used the wrong font. So that's where I messed up. It's okay. Yeah, it's definitely updated because it says mini games. Okay. Just gonna delete the word log here and just. might as well center them again like they were originally. It's fine. Like that. Okay. Make sure I got it all. Okay, cool. Alrighty. How are you gonna make the reset progress? Like, what do you mean by reset progress? Like, how does the reset work? Like, the reset data? Okay. No, sorry, I was reading something else. My bad. I wasn't replying to that. No, I was trying to see what on earth Gamer is saying here. I don't understand either. Jesus. Okay, so for the reset button, sorry, I had to stretch. What it does is basically you can reset your data if you want to, but you have to crouch and right-click so that you can confirm that you want to reset it instead of accidentally saying yes or no. But instead of that mechanic, we're actually going to change it up a little bit, and it's going to be, instead of crouching, it's going to be just basically a yes or no question. Like, are you sure? No need to crouch or anything like that. It's just basically like a double checker. Like, are you really sure you want to do this? Okay, let's skip the original real quick. Actually, no, why am I doing settings selected? Just do this one first. No, I gotta go here. No, it doesn't look right. Yeah, it's not right. Okay, so I have to do this as well sometimes. It's annoying, but it's fine. Actually, yeah, just 0 by 0, and then of course just increase your way. It's really annoying. I don't know if I'm missing a setting here, like literally, that that I messed up on or something. Like to exactly rescale and recenter where it's supposed to be when a new image is here. But I guess it's fine. Okay, so now what do I need to do? You didn't like when Chica loses her nose. Oh, from the original game? Well, I mean, it's supposed to make it look more scarier, I'd assume. But we're still gonna go with it anyways because it's the game. It's not like I'm making my own game, you know what I mean? Like, I mean, yes, of course I'm making it in Minecraft and everything, but I'm still gonna go with what the original lore had and everything. I'm not gonna make any changes unless something were to change, literally, with what Scott Cawthon implied. I guess let's just scroll through this. So I gotta find controls. Mini games, which should actually be completely different. It should be the theme manager. I gotta change the name of that, but it's fine. So settings, minigames, controls, updates log, and then reset, and then back. Those all need to be updated. Okay. Starting with back, of course. Yeah, once again, I gotta go 0, 0. I wasn't playing that as a joke? Okay, okay. Gotcha. Just double checking. What's this one supposed to be? Controls? Okay. I don't know if there's actually a setting on here that allows for, like, auto UV. I mean, of course, auto UV is definitely a thing. Oh, shit. Deleted the wrong one. But I want to double check, like, what, well, I don't think it's auto UV that I'm thinking of. I could be very wrong, though. But the thing where it, like, scales your resolution. Is it? I don't know. I'll have to tinker around with it. I don't know what it was anymore. So what is this? Controls. Okay. Yeah, honestly, I don't remember what exactly the setting was on this tool exactly. I can't remember. I'll have to tinker around with it again later. Like, I'll see what it is. Up Gates log? Oh my god. How did I not notice that? There we go. I think the settings is named options? Oh, that could be the case. Yeah, now that I think of it, I didn't see that. Let me go take a look. Oh, okay. There is no options on the actual game, so that's why I actually made it myself. Okay, so we don't have to worry about that. That should be fine. I was about to say, I don't think there is an options tab in general when it comes to the game. Like the real game. So I don't see it on there, though, at least. So what is this supposed to be? Updates log? I don't know how far I have to go down, but we'll see. Okay. But yeah, that setting doesn't actually exist in the real game. I'm adding it because there are some options that are changeable in the actual map that some people might want or might not want. Like, for example, the updates log. Now, I'm gonna adjust everything here too a little bit. Like the selected ones, of course, so I gotta go find selected. Slap them all in here. Wait, why is this broken? I just finished this one, didn't I? Camera toggle. Wait, is that not being used or something? Okay, I already got the updates log one done, that's fine. This one's already ready to go, it's just for some reason can't find... It for some reason cannot locate FNAF logo. Which, I don't know why it's looking for FNAF logo, of all things. It should be looking for the icon. Okay, so that's a fix. Not a fan of the M, let's be honest. The M looks a little off. Okay, reset data is fine. Control selected is fine. Just gotta make sure it's a gap. Okay, so the gap is too small. Okay. It should be also up a hair, I guess. Like that. Control selected, back. That's fine. Settings looks good. Custom night looks fine. 6 night looks good. New game, it's fine. Camera toggle. I don't know what happened here. I think I grabbed the wrong one. Controls. I don't know exactly what happened. Yeah, I think I grabbed the wrong one. Because that makes sense. Okay. And then just a smidgen higher, like right here. Yeah, I think that's what happened. Alpha? Did I really spell alpha wrong? I did. Thank you for telling me that. Man, I guess I've been making a lot of typos today. Thank you for letting me know that. I hate when I do typos. Now it should be fine. Okay, thank you so much. I really hate typos so much, man. It's irritating. But you know what? As a game developer, it fucking happens. It's always a good thing to double check everything. Now, something I should correct as well, when it comes to this, I'm not really a fan of how the number 2 is like that right there. Now, the original FNAF, it would be Five Nights at Freddy's, and then put the 2 on the other side, I think? Let me check. No, it's actually all 5 layers like this, Five Nights at Freddy's 2. But, in my case, what I'm doing is I'm just putting it a little differently. Like this. Also, is the logo bigger? The logo is a little bit bigger than it is. Okay. Interesting. That's fine. Same happens really often. Yeah, I understand that. But there are softwares that actually, or programs that do help us figure out what we typoed and stuff like that. For Photoshop, there is no checker, I guess it makes sense. Like spell check, which I don't really need. It happens, but there is a spell check thing on here for what commands I'm using. Like if I put execute with like for example, I forgot the first E, and it's like, and it just says execute, then it would just say like unknown command or something in red and highlight it underneath, so I'd know that I messed up there. Also, this doesn't look level. Like, Here, I don't know how to exactly use my cursor here. There we go. Like this 2.0 and stuff. It doesn't really look flush for some reason. Maybe it's just my eyes. I don't know. We can check easily by just using any tab. Like this. And just doing something like this. Yeah, it does need to go down. The copyright symbol. Cheat sheet, am I right? Okay, so let's see here. So right click test 4 should be fine. That's not what I'm worried about. I'm worried about home screen setup. Where's the thing? It's okay. Copyright symbol. Inversion. Okay. Yeah, copyright needs to go down a little bit more. So 0.666. Okay. Talk about devil's number. Devil's number. Okay. Could go down a little more. Probably 668. 667. No, 668 was pretty much flush. Yeah, that's flush. Man, that is such a cheat. I love that. Like, you know. Big brain. Now, another thing I should do again, I wanted to kind of do this, but at the same time, I don't think it's going to really look great, would be moving, here, hang on, hit F1. There we go. Moving the FNAF thing to the side and to the top left or something like that, but it just doesn't look great with the background. You'll see in a moment. I gotta get the background added, which is actually going to be its own sprite. So I need to do basically have it over here again. So this is the HUD sprite. I gotta add a new sprite, which is called background. Which is going to be a layer above, or a layer behind HUD. So if anything, I gotta scooch up HUD one more on the Z axis up here. So these are all going to be 0.4. So they're going to be scooched up towards the player a little closer, but background's actually going to be one layer behind. But also on the background, this should be the furthest it should go, like 0.03 should be fine. Or if anything, just 0.0. So background, I need to do, grab one of these. So it's basically 0.0. I don't have to add the numbers, I can just do this. And the name is going to be MM background, I think? Let me see. I don't think I have anything that changes up here, but I do have a... Where is it? I gotta close a lot of shit here. Main menu. RNG, it should be like something RNG. Actually, no, it might be in the active scripts. Or maybe it, no, there's a folder right here. No, that's hallucinations. That's in different things. Maybe it is in main menu. Let me find it. I'll find it. Give me one moment. So if we go back to home screen setup and we look at all the commands, there's not really much being added here other than this function right here, right click test 4. Which I gotta find. Okay, so visual changes if selected, visual changes if not, menu click test 4, give new caret, reset failsafe loop. Okay, so that's not in here. Let's see here. So if we go back to main menu, which is down here. So we got custom AI display. That's the custom night. 6 a.m. bars display, bars RNG. Yeah, here we go. So we got the bars display, the bars RNG, the controls, custom fade, night setup, game over, hallucination. Yeah, it's right here. Hallucination RNG, I believe. Actually, as a matter of fact, no. This is completely different. This is something else. This is for Bonnie. The Bonnie scare. Home screen. Yeah, right here. Freddy fade. This is what I'm looking for. This is the thing, right here. I have a lot of questions. What's the question? Or at least, what's the questions, I should say. Let's see here, so... I should have Lapis already in here. If not, I'm gonna add it now. Models, item. I don't. So Lapis Lazuli. Okay, so I gotta go get that real quick from FNAF2 MCV 2.0 original, which would be right here. Assets, Minecraft, models, item, Lapis Lazuli. Used to be copy pasted in here. I think it's a more of a block thing, isn't it? No, it's right here. I'm done. White dye. It should be down here. So white dye is now a thing in here. Okay. How are you going to do the VHS effect? Are you talking about like the effect with the bars, where it has like the bars randomly fading in and out? The back of the screen kind of like the lighting of the screen kind of fading in and out, like darker or lighter, along with that one bar that keeps going from top to bottom. That I already have ready to go. I just gotta implement the models, which I'm doing right now, which I forgot to do, and add the armor stands that do all that stuff. And I gotta add all the extra armor stands called BF1 through 9, which is the stuff. So I gotta summon them now. So what I'm gonna do is I go to home screen setup, and I gotta go to summon sprites. So I gotta MMBF1 background fade. So background, and then I'm gonna do background fade 0.001, and then this is just gonna be background, I guess. I don't know. I don't have a name for it yet. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then I just go in here. Save that there. Also, this needs to be deleted as well. Okay. So now I have the background fade done, ready to go. Also, I need to add one called black fade. Unless there's tags. I gotta look at the original code again. I don't know what the hell the original code had. Who the hell is black fade? So what we're gonna do is this. To figure out the original code, I'm just gonna go to here, FNAF MCV 2.0, just the original one. Actually, no, go to 0.05 right here. No, that's not the original 0.05. FNAF MCV 2.05, right here. Data packs, FNAF 1, data, FNAF 1, functions, main menu, home screen setup, edit with notepad. Oh, that's right. I don't know what they are, because they've been already pre-summoned, so I'd have to check what tag. Okay, so I know what to do. I got it from here. Okay. So I'd have to launch like the V2.05 that I have already on 1.19, which is right here. And I gotta go through the tags of each entity. Slash tag, all entities, tag equals, and I gotta find what tag I need specifically as well to check. Tag equals BF7, for example, list, and I hit F1. Oh, it does. It has black fade as a tag as well. Okay, that's why I needed to check everything here. So anything with black fade is gonna also have a tag called what was it? Black fade. That's what I needed to check, because I need to check every single tag that every entity has in the original map before anything else, so that I know what's what. Black Fade, Bonnie, AI, Chica. We don't have to worry about that. Force TP, we don't have to worry about Foxy, Freddy, AI, Int, NP, List. I don't know what that exactly means, but it's something with a night blip. Okay. Okay, so I gotta summon an Int NP. I don't know where its location is. But I also gotta add... Which tag did I do? Int NP in general? So if I do like int np5. Oh, okay, I see what happens here. Okay. I gotta do another thing called int np. I don't know exactly what it is. So I'm gonna add it at 0.002 and just kind of do the same thing here. I don't know what it is. I don't remember, honestly. So it's basically, how many were there? It was numbered 1 through 10. So there's 10 of them. So I gotta add another one called 10. And they also had another tag called int np in general. Okay, so just normal. I'm gonna make a duplicate np1 just real quick, so it's gonna be called int np without a number and then just 10. Okay, so I have int np ready to go. What other tags are that I'm missing? bar. Just literally one. I don't know what bar means either. I'm still trying to remember this shit. I know basically means main menu, but I don't know what bar means. Oh, the bar. Okay, I know what it is. I forgot how shit worked. Okay, the bar. Okay. The bar is probably going to be... let me move this over here so you guys can see once again. It's going to be kind of like where the background would be. But it's not in front of the HUD, but it's like a little bit behind it, I believe. So 0.003, for example, would probably be the layer. Like right here. I'm going to name it bar. And it's going to be bar. 0.003. Whoops, I didn't mean to hit enter, but it's okay. And then, what other ones are there? So we got bar, where is that at? MMB bar, blip. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3 blips. So if I put like blip 2, okay, so blip, literally, okay. Got it. I think that's the overlay, so it's going to be over everything on the HUD. I believe. But I'm also going to change resource packs real quick so I can see what the hell's happening. And understand the layers. So the blip, like those bars that keep popping up, which for some reason the RNG is a bit broken. Which is fine. Freddy walks up to your front door. Sheesh. No, I think the Okay, so like blips and stuff are gonna be a layer behind the HUD. Oh, shoe fly, Jesus Christ. Fly kept landing on my hand or something. So HUD's gonna be here. Blip is going to be... How many is there for blip? There are 3. And yes, the main menu music is actually going to work because it's actually implemented in the original texture pack. So blip is going to be here. It's going to also have that, so it's just basically 1, 2, and 3. Okay. That's done. Settings, star, static. Static is probably next. Yeah, there's multiple. There's going to be static through 1 through 4. Okay. Which the static layer seems to be above everything again. So pretty much the same level as blip, I would assume. Let me take a look one more time. No, I think if anything, static is definitely above the bar. That's for sure. And I believe as well... Yeah, it's definitely above everything. Okay, got it. It's above everything but HUD. Okay. So HUD is going to have to go up one more. Yeah, I know, a lot of reorganization, because I don't have the original spawns and what coordinates they are. Like, on a text. So I have to pretty much guess. And how many statics are there? 4? Yes. Okay, I got that now. What other armor stands are there? Text version, back, camera toggle, reset settings, theme, update, blip. That's another thing. Start night display, warning display. Okay, we're good. We should have everything. And then now I gotta go to 2.0, FNAF2 right here. Yep. I don't have a thumbnail for it yet for the game, so it's fine. And then now we gotta change the resource packs back to here. So now we can see everything. And then now I gotta go... Here, I'm gonna close this for now. I gotta figure out what items are which. Okay. And then now I gotta go to home screen in general. Freddy background. Let's go take a look at that real quick. And see what exactly is replaced. So Freddy is what it's called. We're gonna change Freddy to background. Or BG in other words. But first I'm gonna look up BG. Which does not exist. Okay, we're good. So we're going to replace all of those with BG instead of Freddy. Which will work. It's totally fine. And now I gotta find the background. So BG is now what's going to be called. Okay. So now we gotta go to Freddy setup, or RNG, and basically check my work here. Okay. And then it's going to do the item replacements, which we're looking for cooked pork chop yet again. And it'll be right here. So cooked pork chop, and we're looking at item frame 23? Sorry, 22 through 25, so right here. These are the ones right here. So, I gotta look at, well, not this picture right here. I gotta go to Control N real quick, and I gotta go to FNAF2 game files, textures, places. No, I don't know where it'd be. Menu. Here we are. Yeah, there's 4 pictures yet again. This is what it looks like. So there's the regular, and then of course you got Freddy, Bonnie, Chica. Simple as that. So it's the same 4, which is good. But now I gotta make the picture. So what we're gonna do is this. I'm gonna have the screen, or have a picture of the screen on my right monitor, and we're gonna hop into the game, hop back into creative mode, and we're gonna exit this world. We didn't have to do the thing, my bad. But then we're gonna go to this one, which is the separate one, the 1.18 screenshots save. And then now I just gotta get out of here real quick. And I gotta go to, I guess right here? Well, all black should do anyways, because that's what it's gonna be, it's just a black PNG. So it looks like, actually no. With the picture, it really looks like it's photoshopped so that each character is basically by itself. And I just basically select the new picture, like Freddy, for example, and just, or literally just add a new picture. Jesus Christ, who fucking used thunder? God. Pikachu uses thunder. V2.0. Ugh. I'm probably gonna have to go because power outage may be a problem, okay? I do apologize. I didn't expect it to fucking rain. Nor did I expect it to thunder. So, unfortunately, I am going to dip now before anything gets lost. So, once again, I do apologize. I'd rather not lose everything right now, so we're gonna get out of here, unfortunately, before something goes wrong. So thank you guys so much for watching this stream. Unfortunately, it had to be cut due to this weather effects right now. So, unfortunately, I gotta go before I lose shit, okay? Due to power outages and stuff. So thank you guys so much for watching this stream. Once again, I do apologize. Follow if you haven't yet, and I'll see you guys next time.